If you are looking for a great cordless drill, you're going to want to check this one out. This is a 20-volt one. This is by COMOWARE. This is what it looks like. This is the battery right here. It just snaps on just like this. Super, super easy. You'll see we go up to 25 here, so this can be adjusted this way right here. If this button's all the way pushed in, it's going the other way. This is reverse right there. It shows you, I really like the fact that it has a light so you can see. You can also see your battery life right there as well. I'm going to show you exactly inside in a second, but you get one battery, a 2.5 hour charger, a flexible shaft, which I like a lot. You get the extension bar, you get connection extension bar, you get these drill bits, more drill bits right there, 9 socket, 10 screwdriver bit, and then 6 screwdriver bit. Comes with this nice case, so it's really easy to carry. You just pop this open just like this, which is really, really nice, which I really like. I've gotten other drills in the past that do not have cases, and it's just super annoying, to be honest with you. So this is going to be our charger right here. These are the screw bits right there. You'll see here, all the other stuff is in up here, so they stay nice and secure. So when you are drilling something, you could just literally put this flat down and just pick out what you want. And then this is probably my favorite one. So this is actually an extender, and you could put any bit you want in here, and then you can just kind of bend it. So if something's in a tight spot, you can literally just bend it. It doesn't have to be straight on. Overall, really, really great drill. Really, really like this a lot. If you're looking for a great drill, definitely check this out. And a big thanks to the brand for sending me this so I could do this review.